नमस्ते जी, सत श्री अकाल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आज हम कुछ अलग सा लेंगे टॉपिक। कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है तो कॉम्प्लेक्स मगर इजी वे में। मजा आने वाला है आपको, क्योंकि आज हम उन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए बड़े अच्छे अच्छे ट्रिक्स लेने वाले हैं। आप बोलेंगे ऐसे भी सॉल्व होते हैं, तो उसके लिए तो आपको स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक देखना होगा ना। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Square root of a complex number for the competitions. I wrote the answers here कि 7 plus 24 iota, square root of is 4 plus 3 iota, minus 5 minus 12 iota is equal to 2 minus 3 iota. How to find out the square root? Let's x plus iota y is your complex number. First step, take the imaginary number का half. It become y by 2. Then you need to factorize in such a way that the square of the difference of the two number become the real number. I will explain with this question. 7 plus 24 iota. 24 का half is 12. 12 के factors are 4 and 3. Okay. Now 4 का square is 16. 3 का square is 9. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. Yes, I am getting my real number. So that means the answer will be 4 plus 3 iota. Done. Your question is finished. Let's start with the next one. 6 के factors are 2 and 3. Now coming to 2 and 3, the factors 2 का square and 3 का square. 9 minus 4 is 5. Yes, I am getting my real number. Make it the square root. It's being 2 minus 3 iota. Answer finished. If z is equal to x minus iota y, then z to the power 1 by 2 is equal to p plus iota q. Then find the value of this one. And options are given. Now, if we solve by the proper method, it will take time naturally. But we will use the method of substitution. Method of substitution means something in the place of x and y to get something very low value. Let's start with that. I will put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. Then what will happen? It becomes z is equal to 1. Perfect. X plus minus iota y hai. Then it becomes z is equal to 1. It's mistake. It's 1 by 3. Now, if z is equal to 1, then z 1 by 3 is equal to 1 to the power 1 by 3. Correct? And if you are doing complex number, you know about the omega and its value. Now, z to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 1 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to omega. What's the value of omega? It's minus 1 plus root 3 iota by 2 is equal to omega. If you don't know this thing, तो आप मेरे दूसरे जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है उनके वीडियोस पे जाइएगा. यू विल गेट हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द ओमेगा एंड ओमेगा स्क्वायर. नाउ इट्स वैल्यू ओमेगा इज p plus iota q. I am separating it like this. It equals to p plus iota q. Now coming to that, p is equal to minus half and q is equal to root 3 by 2. We got it, the p or q का value. Put in this equation. Let's put the values. X by p. Your x is 1. 1 by minus 1 by 2. Y is 0. No need to put. P square plus q square. 1 का 1 by 4 and it become 3 by 4. It's been minus 2 by 4 by 4. I got cancelled this one. D is the option. This is known as to solve the question easily by method of substitution. Question is, the set of all alpha belongs to a real number for which this w is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 8 alpha into z by 1 minus z is a purely imaginary number satisfying this and real number is not, मतलब real value will be not equal to 1. सबसे पहली बात है कि आपको क्वेश्चन को केयरफुली रीड करना होगा, बिकॉज गिवन कंडीशंस में ही आपका आंसर होता है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द थिंग. इट सेज दैट प्योरली इमेजिनरी नंबर और रियल नंबर वैल्यू विल बी नॉट इक्वल टू 1. तो व्हाट आई विल डू इट, लेट टेक इट z is equal to iota, because I am doing with the method of substitution to make it simple for you only. So z is equal to iota, I put it. I will substitute here. Let's check what will happen. 1 plus 1 minus 8 alpha by 1 minus iota into iota. You all know about 9th standard से करते आ रहे हैं कि कॉन्जुगेट लेना है. दैट मीन्स यू नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई विद द अपोजिट साइन. मीन्स लाइक अ 1 माइनस आयोटा है तो यू नीड टू डू विद द 1 प्लस आयोटा, और सिंपल वर्ड में आप कहते हो रेशनलाइजेशन. चलिए डू इट दैट. 1 प्लस आयोटा बाय 1 प्लस आयोटा. नाउ वी नीड टू सॉल्व इट. नाउ इट्स बीन 1 प्लस आयोटा into 1 plus iota, and again this, listen, 1 into iota I multiplied with that, and again 1 minus 8 alpha iota into 1 plus iota. Down part में 1 minus iota and 1 plus iota become a square minus b square, and iota square की value -1 बच्चों, तो it become 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Coming to the next one, I will open the bracket. Iota plus iota square plus. Now coming to that part, it's been 1 minus 8 alpha into iota into 1. So it become iota minus 8 alpha iota. Again the whole thing will be multiplied with iota. तो iota into iota become iota square, that become -1. So it become -1 minus 8 alpha by 2. Got it? Iota square की value -1 I am writing here. Now it become iota -1, and after that plus iota minus 8 alpha iota -1 minus 8 alpha by 2. Make it separate the real part and the imaginary part. It's saying purely imaginary. That means real part is 0. I will take it that part. It's being 1 minus iota. It become 2 iota minus 8 alpha iota. And this being taking -1 minus common, it become 2 minus 8 alpha by 2, like this. We got it. Now this become again the real part and the imaginary part. I will take it 2 minus 8 alpha by 2 is equal to 0. This become the set of all alpha belongs to R, real number, for which omega is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 8 alpha into z by 1 minus z is a purely imaginary number, satisfying that it is equals to 1, but real value of z is not equal to 1. The the options are given. So I will start with again the method of substitution by putting, because it says that purely imaginary and the real part can't be 1, so I will take it z is equal to iota. First step. Now I am putting is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 8 alpha into z by 1 minus z. Naturally z is equal to iota है, तो I am putting it here, and take the conjugate or the rationalization part. It become 1 plus iota by 1 plus iota. Now make it solve. 1, I am multiplying 1 plus iota plus I am opening the bracket only, it became iota, and iota like this, it become like this, minus 8 alpha iota, and minus it become plus 8 alpha by 2. I am writing directly because a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, and iota square की value is minus 1. So it become 2. Let's separate the real part and the imaginary part. 1 plus 2 iota minus 1 minus 8 alpha iota plus 8 alpha by 2. Now 1 and minus 1 got cancelled, remaining with 8 alpha by 2. Check it, 8 alpha by 2, and this part iota I am taking common, so it become 2 minus 8 alpha, 2 minus 8 alpha by 2. Perfect. This came, but in the question it says that purely imaginary, means the real part will be 0. Now coming to 8 alpha by 2 is equal to 0, alpha is equal to 0. A is our correct answer. The value of the expression 1 plus 1 by omega, 1 plus 1 by omega square plus 2 plus 1 by omega, like this it went to n plus 1 by omega into n plus 1 by omega square. अब आपने देखा कि इतना बड़ा एक्सप्रेशन है, पता नहीं आंसर कैसे निकलेगा, बट हम क्या कर रहे हैं, मेथड ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन, मतलब वी नीड टू पुट समथिंग टू गेट द आंसर वेरी इजीली. These are 4 options we have given. Let's put that n is equal to 1. When I am putting n is equal to 1, I got 1 plus 1 by omega into 1 plus 1 by omega square. Take it LCM, it become omega plus 1 by omega into omega square plus 1 by omega square. What is omega? 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. You all know about that. तो omega plus 1 की place पे I am putting minus omega square by omega, and omega square plus 1 की place पे minus omega by omega square. Everything cancelled. I got 1 my answer. But you will say कि भाई options तो 1 नहीं है, कैसे करेंगे? Be put बेटा जी, n is equal to 1 put करिए. अगर मैं n 1 put करती हूँ, let's start with a. 1 plus 3 4 हो ही नहीं सकता. 1 plus 2 3, 3 by 3 is 1. My answer will be B. But need to check with the C also. 1 plus 1 2, 2 by 3 is not your answer. Your answer is 1 and B is your option. Now if C square plus S square is equal to 1, then what will be the value of this expression? Options are given. Let's start again with the method of substitution. I will do it one thing, because it is given that C square plus S square is 1. So I can say कि let C plus iota S is 1, or if I am taking C minus iota S is, this become then C minus iota S is also equals to minus of iota. If you will do it, you will get your answer. So we have taken what was given in the question. चलिए पुट करते हैं एक्सप्रेशन में 1 plus iota by 1 minus iota. To rationalize, 1 plus iota by 1 plus iota. Now it become 1 plus iota square plus 2 iota by 2. Iota square and 1 got cancelled because it's minus 1. 2 and 2 got cancelled. I got iota. What I got iota? Iota is equal to C plus iota S. That means A is your. आज का वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, क्योंकि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर था और उसमें भी हमने ट्रिक्स ऐसी यूज करी कि हमें इजीली आंसर्स भी मिले. तो अगर आपको ऐसे और वीडियोस देखने हैं तो आपको मेरे वीडियोस को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना होगा. थैंक यू.